couple of new items I just got that I want to show you. It is from the same company. They are power strips, and I really needed to get some new power strips. Let's take a look at the box. This is the company right here. The company name with their little logo. I found them on Amazon. And look at this one. Oh, this one's really cool. It's like a little cube. It's got 1, 2, 3 different plugs. And then you have the 3 USB ports. It has a little thing here. I guess that's where you can, I guess when it plugs in, it has a light on it. I don't have it plugged in yet. It does have a nice little Velcro thing, so if you ever need to store it, or if you want to just kind of wind up some of the excess cord, then that's handy. And this one is almost identical in that it has the 3 USB ports, although this only has 2 of the actual power outlets. This one's a little more low profile. Both of them, because they don't take up a lot of space, both of them are excellent to have on your tabletop. It's a little blue light, so that's off, on, off, on. So you can see it's on, and this would be on my desktop next to my computer, so I'd probably be plugging stuff like this in, probably like my phone. See, that's powering up there, okay? This one doesn't have like an on-off switch, but you can see it's on. I'll turn it around. Okay, and yeah, that's working. Very nice. Love the white. Just enough plugs. I mean, because I'm always needing this and this. So yes, I love it. Well, that's it for my review of these 2 power strips with USB ports. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.